Very good day to everybody. I'm going to talk very fantastic experiments with Mr. Rakesh Babu. This is very professional statement I'm recording here. It as Mr. Rakesh Babu. Actually, he is my brother, well-wisher, family friend, and very good friend of mine. He is part and part of my life every day. I'm going to tell something very close to my heart, which he does. It is not nothing but great brain profiling. I was wondering what is this brain profiling. He's an expert on this. And today we had a session. I had a very good administrative individual session with Rakesh on what is brain profiling. I heard his videos. I had his client's input over YouTube, and it has been proved that it is scientifically authenticated, and differences seems to be infinity on success, and that is Rakesh Babu. So I called him. I need to understand what is this. In fact, this needs an attention pan-India level, across the globe also, that everyone has to understand what is brain profiling. Indeed, I am very glad, very delighted to see an elated smile on young minds of India, on young patriotic citizens of India, which they shared that their life received a wellness shape through this brain profiling, and their teacher was, is, and continues to be Rakesh Babu. As a dutiful citizen, it is very keen for me to take stock of young minds and behavioral attitudes for the bettermentation of our nation, isn't it? Today, it seems to be a wonderful day for me. Mr. Rakesh Babu at Chennai. I'm very delighted to have him at my home. A day of complete. Today I feel that my life is so complete that somebody understands me very much better than me through brain profiling. It is not perfect to say what does this brain profiling exactly on us. And one thing is for sure, I am 35 years now. Right from my birth till today, brain profiling through Rakesh Babu illustrated, demonstrated, and completely elucidated on who am I, where am I, and where I need to go, where I need to focus. Am I focusing right presently? My strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. And finally, what is my manifestation? How the manifestation on mine is going to be best out in the future was very genuinely proved by Rakesh Babu. The mechanism which Rakesh Babu follows definitely makes me to think neuroscience, neuropsychology, and its benefits, or not only my career, not only on my ideas. This needs an attention of all parents for all their childrens across the globe. Significantly, this is a new methodology which needs an accreditation, recognition for the betterment of overall India. Undoubtedly, I am very much glad to inform that the contribution of my dear friend Rakesh Babu is commendable, and I would prefer that every one of you must contact him to understand what is his brain profiling. Are your kids traveling on the right path or not? Do you need to understand your children's exact aspirations based on their birth? Contact him, and he will show the way, not only the way, the complete light of your future, of your children's future. Your children's future is your future, right? So contact him. You will see the light. Ray of hope is equal to Rakesh Babu. Rakesh Babu is equal to energy. Your fame, energy is equal to RB Academy, the wisdom quotient. None other than the positive energy. Brain profiling through Rakesh Babu will benefit you for sure. Please experience what is brain profiling. You will see who are you. You can proudly say, I am what I am today in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.